thanks for all the views and the comments on that pizzeria video where I made a strawberry brownie Sunday special Sunday special. Today I'm gonna be making a cheesy chicken special from Papa's Taco Mia. Amigo. Start making the actual taco. We're gonna start with the nacho cheese because the nacho cheese will be used both as a dipping, personally for me, and as an ingredient in the taco. First, we're gonna start with the butter. So we're gonna put 50 grams of butter in the pot. Then you gotta get your flour. So let's open the flour. And get 2 tablespoons. Next, you need your milk. You're gonna need 1 cup of milk. Then your next step is to whisk the pot. Now the nacho cheese. Next, you need to get the tasty cheese, and you have to shred it. And you're gonna put the cheese into the pot. Cheese. Mix a lot of cheese into the sauce. Your salt. And you're gonna put it in. And now, if you stir the salt, add in your chili powder. Yes, that is enough. And stir again. And so, now you have finally finished making your nacho cheese, so now you can move on to making the actual taco. Let's move on to the chicken. Get your chicken in a board. Wow, that's a lot of meat. So anyways, you get your meat and you put it onto the plate. Then you cut it. So now, after you finish cutting, the next step is to turn on a pan and put all the chicken inside. Now you turn on the pan, you put all the fire and all that stuff. Then you start putting your chicken. No, actually, first you get some canola oil spray. First you spray it in the pan. much dough. Then you put the chicken inside. So you wait for your chicken to cook, and then once it's done cooking, you flip it on the other side. So now you have finished. Well, I have. There you go. Alright, so now that you have finished with your chicken, it's time to get onto the tacos. Your pita pockets first. So for some, your pita pockets may or may not need microwaving. Unfortunately, mine need microwaving. So, oh. So now you've got your microwave pita pockets. Now you're gonna put some chicken in this. Okay, so I put the chicken onto the pita pockets. Next step, get some grated cheese. Get some grated cheese.
Sorry.
And I don't care. But it's almost hot. I understand. Right, so the next thing you're gonna do is put your nacho cheese on all the tacos. Alright, so put equal amounts, and next is the pasta bake. Wait, that's not what it's called. Next is the queso blanco, which is actually it's called 3 cheese sauce. The next step is to put it on the taco. I love the person who gets the scissors. Can't open this. Okay, so I got that. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get this opened. So I got the queso blanco open by a female pretzel figure. Queso blanco sauce. Yeah, put it on the taco. And oh gosh, it took forever. But I finally done it. And if you're making the recipe, then you have done it too. Delicious. That's good. You have made a cheesy chicken special from Papa's Taco Me Up in real life. You don't need to watch the rest. But if you like to, then sure, watch the rest. Please do. The next step is to get 2 bowls. Preferably pretty small. And get your chips and your nacho cheese. Now put the chips in one bowl. And get some nacho cheese and put it in the other bowl. Put as much as you like, put as much as you need, put as much as you want. voila. You got the original salsa chips and nacho cheese. Now I'll have to do this for like one of my family members. Let's see what my family thinks about it, and let's get on. Let's see what you think. Mom, what do you think of it?
Amazing. So you want some?
Okay, let's see what my Alright, so after that long hour of cooking, it got a bit messy at times. I got at times where I thought, should I even finish this meal? But with perseverance, determination, and hunger, finally finished making cheesy chicken taco, taco meal with chips and chips. I just decided to go with original chips and nachos. So enough talking. Let's try it. It doesn't matter if you're allergic. It doesn't matter if you're vegan. You have to make it special. You have to make it special. It's amazing. This is like, wow. So, thank you for making it to the end of this video. If you want to see more Papa's videos, please tell me that I'd like to see more Papa's videos in the comments below. Give me feedback. Share it to your friends if you think they like it. Like this video if you like it. And thank you for watching. Farewell.